guys, and welcome back to the Twins and Me, and welcome back to another Meals of the Week video. So this is 7 meals that we have eaten, not necessarily all in one week. It might have been over the course of a couple of weeks, but sometimes I forget to film it because I just want to eat it quick. But there was lots of new things that we tried and they were really tasty. So I hope you enjoy the video and it gives you lots of inspiration for your meals. So for today's dinner, we've got squash stuffed Herbie, fennel rice and pesto, which I got from this magazine. And it's supposed to look like that. But I had absolutely massive butternut squash. So everything else I doubled. And then I made the pesto, and again I doubled that as well. We've not had this before, but it looks very tasty. So for today's dinner, we've got sausage and white bean stew. I got this recipe from Pinterest. I normally serve it with mashed potato, but I didn't have any. So I've done mashed sweet potato instead, and then I've just served it with some broccoli. And this is so easy to make. It's, you know, you cook the sausages and the red onion, and then you add in the tomatoes and the beans and the spices. And it's all just done in one pan in the oven. So for today's dinner, we've got sticky shiitake mushrooms, which is from the Bosch cookbook. So we've never had it before, but yeah, it looks really tasty. So for today's dinner, we've got these chestnut and mushroom tarts. That's from the Deliciously Ella app. We've not had them before, but they're really easy to make and they look amazing. Got these garlic and herb sort of crispy potatoes. So it's basically small roast potatoes. And then we've got this sesame kale, which again I've not had before, but it's just some kale cooked in sesame oil with some garlic, soy sauce and sesame seeds. So that's our dinner for today. So for today's dinner, we've got stuffed peppers. So I cut the peppers in half and roast them in the oven, and then it's stuffed with rice, salsa, onion, black beans, some grated courgette and some sweet corn, stuffed into the peppers once it's all cooked, and then just topped with some rocket. So for today's dinner, we've got a vegan kebab and chips. So we've got this meat. There's 2 packs. I've got 2 packs of them, and that makes enough for kebabs. So we've done it in a pitta, and then I've just done some shredded cabbage, white cabbage, and then I've got some French fries. And that's just our nice, quick, easy Friday night dinner. So for today's dinner, we've got these vegan tortillas, which I got from Tesco. They come ready made, and you just either cook them in the microwave or you fry them. So I fried them. Not had them before, but I've heard good things. Got some potato wedges that I just made myself. So I just cut potatoes into wedges, don't even peel them. I just add some salt, smoked paprika, onion powder and garlic powder, and then I've just cooked up some leeks and mushrooms because they needed using. And that's our dinner for today. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!